23, Part B, Activity 2A. Listen to the radio program and answer the questions. Hello and welcome to this week's Wonders of the World, the program in which we talk about a different famous building every week. In today's program, we're going to talk about a very famous building, the Sydney Opera House in Australia. The Sydney Opera House is located in the city of Sydney, Australia. It is one of the most recognisable buildings in the world. A long time ago, in the late 1940s, a venue to hold concerts and music events was planned for Sydney. Later, in 1955, a competition was held to design the venue. The competition was won by an architect from Denmark, and he was given the job of designing the opera house. Construction of the building was started in 1959. The opera house was very difficult to build, and there were many problems, so it took a very long time to build. At the beginning, it was expected to cost $7 million and to take 4 years. In the end, it took 14 years. It was completed in 1973 and cost $102 million. Today, over 1,500 concerts are held at the Sydney Opera House annually. These events are attended by over 1.2 million people. The building itself is visited by over 8 million people annually. Several concert halls and theatres are located inside, as well as cafes, restaurants, bars and shops.